warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 11:30 p.m. At 9:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles southeast of Winthrop Harbor to 7 nautical miles south of Waukegan Harbor to 13 nautical miles southeast of McHenry to 7 nautical miles west of Elgin, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar and surface observations. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, and Belmont Harbor. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for northeastern Illinois and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan.